Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSE Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about ZZU, Zhengzhou University CSE scholarship. Okay, so let's start. Zhengzhou University Chinese government scholarship is for PhD and master as well. So this year they offer scholarship to PhD students. So how you can check that, I will tell you in this video. So here's the detail about Chinese government scholarship. Authority is Zhengzhou University CSE Scholarship 2022 and university name is Zhengzhou University. Student category is for master and PhD students, fully funded scholarship. Okay, and the monthly allowance is 3000 RMB for master and 3500 RMB for PhD. Apply method, just online apply, no need to send hard copies and no need to pay application fee, and the application deadline is 30th of April 2022. Okay, eligibility criteria for students is all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. Okay, you can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. So how you can apply for this scholarship? So first you fill CSE online application form. Click here to fill the CSE online application form. After that you need to fill university online application form. ZZU, Zhengzhou University online application form. This is my university. Again I said, first time I'll tell you. So this is my university. I got admission in this university. So if you have any problem regarding this, I will tell you. I will solve your problem. And if you got scholarship in future in this university, so we will welcome you. So and you need to fill Zhengzhou University online application form. Click here to fill. How to fill this form? You need to watch this video. Okay, upload all required documents. No need to pay application fee. No need to send hard copies. Result will be announced at the end of July. Okay, and now these are the required documents. First, you when you fill the CSE online application form, after filling this form, you need to download this application form. Okay, and ZZU online application form. When you fill this form, you also need to download this form. Okay, so transcript, highest degree notarized copy, highest transcript, education notarized copy, study plan, 2 recommendation letters. Okay, and passport photocopy, passport copy, home page, and physical examination form, English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Certificate of no criminal certificate record. Acceptance letter is optional. If you don't have acceptance letter, don't worry about this. You can apply without acceptance letter in this university as well. So good luck. Other documents, if achievement record, if you have sports records, all other kind of records, which if you have, otherwise it's also optional. So these are the things. And now how you check that, how I check that this is for PhD, because from this year they start for PhD. So if we go back last year, so they not offer CSE scholarship to PhD. They just CSE scholarship to master students. How I can check that this days offer scholarship to PhD students? No, you can click on this portal, apply. Click here to apply on ZZU portal. When you click here, make an account, and after that you need to click on online application form. I click on online application form. When I click on this form, you can see here's I already make an application because I made the video for Urdu students. So I delete this application. So I start a new application. Click here to start and agree, read and agree and continue. And you can see here's the Khanan government scholarship. If you want to apply for Khanan government scholarship, you can apply for Khanan government scholarship. This is for bachelor program. Some programs offer in bachelor, some in master. So in this scholarship category, they not provide any kind of stipend. They just cover your tuition fee, and they not cover the dormitory fee as well. So you need to fix this by self. So I go back because I just show you that how I check that this scholarship is for master student or for PhD. Last year, if you want to watch the my video which I was made last year, so you can see there is 2 options for Chinese government scholarship. First one is general Chinese government scholarship general recruitment program, and the other one is independent recruitment program. So I click on that. No, this year they just have one option. So I click on that option, and after you can see here is master program and doctoral program. So last year there is no option for doctoral program. It means they not offer scholarship on that time, but now doctoral program is available. It means they offer CSE scholarship to these major. And in CSE website, on CSE, here is the China scholarship website, government scholarship council website. Presidential scholarship for PhD majors are also available. So that's why. Okay, so I click on English majors and click on English taught. So and click on next. So if you want to apply for PID in ZZU, you can apply, and if you want to ask from international office, you can ask. Maybe they give you some proper option, because I want to contact my international student office of ZZU, but they not replied me. So I think they are busy, that's why. So I click on that one option. I want to apply, maybe just for demo. I go back because I just want to show you that which documents they are required on university portal. Okay, I click on home and want to, if you delete this application and want to apply another major, or mistakenly you select this major, so you can delete this application. And if you fill the half of the form of this application, so you need to click on edit and carry from that point. Okay, and if you change the study plan, means if you are mistakenly select the chemical engineering and you want to select computer science or civil engineering or any other majors, so you need to change your study plan as well. So I just click on view, because I want to show you that how and which majors are available, and which documents they are required to upload on university portal. Passport homepage, the bachelor degree, transcript, bachelor study transcript, and two recommendation letters from a professor or associate professor, to the study plan, valid English proficiency certificate, physical examination form, and certificate of no criminal certificate record, and application form. The form which you fill on CSE portal, download that application form and sign on the last page of any place of the last page of the Chinese government scholarship application form, and then upload it on here on this portal. Okay, another supporting documents, if you have other recommendation letter, acceptance letter, or any other achievement records, certificates, so you need to upload here. So these are the this is the CSE scholarship admissions in ZZU. If you want to apply, then you can. Here is the application status, means filled in status, means still you did not submit your application form. And if once you submit your application form, your status will be changed to in process. It means your application is submitted, and now wait for the application. When your application, soon your application will be reviewed. Okay, so hope so you get the information. If you want to apply in this university and got scholarship here, we will welcome you, and we'll match you in ZZU if we go in future. So good luck and take care of yourself in